And I want to give you 3 different things to consider before you make Roth conversions for you to figure out if it makes sense for you. The first one is, where is your income bracket right now and where is it going in the future? Sometimes we meet people and they're still in their high earning years, and it wouldn't make a lot of sense to add more taxable income in that year. Maybe it's better to defer it. The second thing that we're looking at is their age and their time horizon towards retirement. Because if we find somebody that's younger, then we can make smaller Roth conversions over a longer period of time. And if we find somebody that's older, maybe we have to be a little bit more aggressive about it. And the third thing that you want to be mindful is the landmine of the Medicare premiums coming a couple of years down the road. See, income taxes aren't the only thing that you start to mess around with Roth conversions. The other thing you're going to affect is whether or not you're going to pay higher Medicare premiums, and those are called IRMA limitations or guidelines. So what you want to be able to do is look at both. You want to look both at the income taxes and the IRMA guidelines, and you don't want to step on one landmine because you're trying to avoid another one, and that's another consideration for Roth conversions. So the next time that you're thinking about creating a tax-free account to grow in retirement and to be using and maybe even leaving for your beneficiaries, be mindful of the 3 Roth conversion strategies: age, income, and IRMA.